The kitchen is at the heart of your home, and one of the biggest investments you will ever make. Our professional design and installation services cover Wolverhampton and surrounding areas and ensure your renovation exceeds expectations with high-quality products and expert craftsmanship. Tallren Kitchens ensures that your new kitchen will meet your style and needs perfectly. Professional kitchen design, industry-leading products, expert 5-star rated installation service, and quality project management are all vital elements to ensure that your dream project looks amazing. Our team at Tallren Kitchens is dedicated to providing a 5-star service, from initial ideas through to completion. We will design your new kitchen, supply, and install for busy homeowners just like you. Our straightforward process eliminates the stress of sourcing tradespeople or managing a project. Trust the expertise of the best kitchen installers in Wolverhampton to bring your vision to life. Arrange a home visit with Tallren Kitchens today and start the journey to your new kitchen. Step 1 is all about getting the detail right. We will meet with you at your home, understand how you intend to use the space and everything that is important to you, take down the dimensions, and together do some initial planning. Book your no-obligation home survey, but don't worry, if you're not quite ready for a meeting but have questions, feel free to get in touch with us for help and expert guidance. Select the service that suits your needs. Our design and supply service is perfect if you have a trusted local kitchen installer already, while our full service package includes kitchen design, supply, and professional installation. Both options come with our fully insurance-backed warranty, ensuring quality and reliability for your new kitchen, giving you complete peace of mind. With many 5-star reviews, you are in safe hands with the highly recommended experts at Tallren Kitchens. Take a tour around our website to find out more about our products and services, and don't forget to have a look at our helpful blogs and past projects in the case studies section. Download our brochure to get some inspiration before we meet. Don't wait, book your home survey today with Tallren Kitchens.